was an important day in the yard. Everyone was busy and excited, making notes and taking photographs. A special visitor had arrived and was now the center of attention. "Who's that?" whispered Thomas to Duck. "That," said Duck proudly, "is a celebrity." "A what?" asked Percy. "A celebrity is a very famous engine," said Duck. "Driver says we can go talk to him." "Oh," said Thomas. "He probably looks too famous to notice us." Just then, Gordon arrived. "Huh," said Gordon. "Who cares? A lot of fuss about nothing? Good riddance if you ask me." And he puffed away. Later that night, the engines found that the visitor wasn't so conceited at all. He enjoyed talking to the other engines long till the stars came out. Gordon was grumbling. "Good riddance," said Gordon. "What's this? Chattering all night and keeping up our poor engines awake? Who is he anyway?" "Doug told you," said Thomas. "He's famous." "As famous as me? Nonsense! He's famouser than you. He was the first to go 100 miles an hour before you even thought of." "So he says," said Gordon. "Right, they were miles an hour work for me. Goodbye." Doug took some trucks to Edward's station. "Hello," called Edward. "That famous engine came through this morning. Wasn't he kind?" "He's the finest engine in the world," said Doug. Then he told Edward what Gordon had said. "Take no notice," soothed Edward. "He's just jealous. He thinks no engine should be famous but him. Look, he's coming now." Gordon was turning very fast for the station as his wheels pounded the rails. "He did it, I'll do it. He did it, I'll do it," said Gordon. Gordon's train rocketed past his gong. "He'll knock himself to bits," chuckled Dad. Gordon's driver eased him off. "Steady, Gordon," he said. "We're not running a race." "We are then," said Gordon, but he said it to himself. Soon, Gordon began to feel a little strange. "The top of my boiler seems funny. It looks as if something was loose. I better go slower." But it was too late. On the viaduct, they met the wind. It was a teasing wind which grew suddenly in hard puffs. Gordon thought it wanted to blow him off the bridge. "No, you don't," he said firmly. But the wind had other ideas. It crept under his loose stone and it lifted off and away into the valley below. Gordon felt very silly without it. The wind was whistling through the place where his dome should be, and he felt very silly without it. At the big station, the freight cars laughed at him. Gordon tried to wheeze them away, but they crowded round no matter what he did. On the way back, Gordon wanted his driver to stop and fetch his dome. "We'll never find it now. You'll have to go to the works for a new one." Gordon was sad. "I hope the shed is empty tonight," Gordon thought to himself. But when he got back to the sheds, all the others were there waiting for him. "Never trust domeless engines," said a voice from behind him. "They aren't respectable."